Hello students, standard 9th. Poem number 11. Veditvani Mitrani. Mitrani, it means friends. Vyani, it means should. Vedita, it means to be known. Friends should be known. How to recognize friend? Who are our good friends? Who are our bad friends? Are they our real friends? Or they are our fake friends? How should be known? That we come to know by this poem in a Sanskrit. Known as the longest literary work in the entire world is the Mahabharata, composed by Maharshi Vyasa. Maharshi Vyasa, as we know that, composed Mahabharata, and there was a part in the Mahabharata that known how to know a person. The Mahabharata has about 1 lakh slokas. More than 1 lakh slokas are there in the Mahabharata. And as you know that it is our holy book. There are 3 holy books in our Indian culture: Hindu religious, Ramayana, Mahabharata and Gita. Gita ji is a part of Mahabharata only. There are 18 parvas in the Mahabharata. The first parva is Adi Parva, while the last Sharvagadhar Parva. In the 12th in one Shanti Parva, solution to many problems of life have been dealt with. In the Shanti Parva, it is a chapter about the all problem solution. We can say that in the Shanti Parva we get all the solutions of our problem if we read that. In the Shanti Parva, there are 365 chapters. These chapters are further divided into Raj, Tanurshva Parva and Apaddam Parva, Moksha Parva, etc. Among these, Apaddam Parva, there is a dialogue between Bhishma and Yudhishthira, Bhishma Pitamaha, a very famous character of Mahabharata, and Yudhishthir, one of the Pandav, which is teaching in a politically. Actually, Bhishma Pitama gave knowledge to Yudhishthira of political knowledge, and there is a conversation between them. In this there is an occasion when Yudhishthira advised to maintain friends. During this advice, it is also known how friends should be, how they are made, and how they are helpful to us. It is conversation between them. Let's start our slokas. Veditvani mitrani, vigneya shvapi shatravaha, itata susukshmam lokeshmi drishyate pragam shammata. Mitrani, it means friends. Veditvani, should be known, should be well examined. Vigneya shvapi satravaha. Satrava, it means enemy or a foe. The second or a similar word of enemy is foe. So enemy or a foe should be vigneya. It means knowledgeable, well studied. Itata susukshmam lokeshmi drishyate pragna shambatta. This is regarded as very difficult, won by even the learned. Pragna Sampata, even the learned. This is regarded as a very difficult, won by even the learned person. Shatru Rupa hi Shurado, Mitra Rupa Shvasatravaha, Shandhitaste na बुद्ध्यन्ते काम क्रोध वशम गताः. शत्रु रूपा ही शूद्रय. Sudraya, Mitra Rupa hi Satravaha. Then we started. Mitra, it means friend. Friend assume the guise of foes. Satravaha, it means in guise of foes. Shatru Rupa hi Sudrava. It means foes or enemy. Assume as a friend. Friend, assume as or guise as enemy. Enemy, assume as the guise of friend. Sandhitaste na buddhyante kama krodham vasham gataha. When complaints of friendship, sandhishata hai, when there is needed of friendship, are formed, it is very difficult for the parties to understand whether the parties are really moved by desire or anger. Buddhyante, by desire, kama krodha vasham, or by anger. Gataha, party is gone, party is moved. Whether the other parties are really moved by desire or anger. Let's go ahead about the third sloka. In the second sloka, the poet want to tell us that when there is need of anything, friends become enemy and enemy become friends. And the other person cannot be recognized that are they really friends or enemy. Nasti jhatu रूपी नार्म मित्र नामम विद्यते व्यवहाराच्य जायन्ते मित्राणि रिपवस्तताः. नास्ति जातु रिपुर्नाम न विद्यते. There is no such things as an enemy. Ripurnama, it means enemy, shatru. Mitram, or friend, there is no such things except there are friend or an enemy. Person become friend or enemy due to circumstances. Vyavharachya jayante mitrani ripavastataha. Person become friend or enemy due to circumstances. Next, yo ashmina जीवति स्वार्थम पश्यते पीड़ाम न जीवित शतस्य मित्रम तावत स्याद यावन्न स्याद विपर्यय. यो यस्मिनि जीवति स्वार्थे पश्यते पीड़ाम न जीवति. A particular person is our friend. Yo yasmina, it means a particular person is our friend so long as he serves a purpose is useful. A person, shatasya mitram dravata, a person who flatters us also serves a person as he pleases our ego. It means a person is our friend as long as his purpose is fulfilled. As his purpose is fulfilled, he become our enemy. It is common thing that we see in our surrounding. But who is the real person? A real person who flatters also in serves, whether we are in ego. If we are in anger, we are in ego, we are in proud. A real person satisfied our ego, purpose our ego. He is the real person, whether in our good situation, whether in our bad situations. We will see our next shlokas into next video. Till then, study it. Have a nice day.